Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing another unboxing, but it's not just unboxing because I will also be reviewing this product that I have been using recently and tell you my honest opinion based on my experience with the product. So let's get into it. So let's start with the hair care. So this hair really needs TLC because as you can see it's colored hair. So I've got here this brand Oribe. Forgive me if I read it or pronounce it improperly because I just don't have time to find the right pronunciation about this product right here. But I've got this Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil, and it's a really pretty container. I wish it's glass, but it's okay because if you want to travel with this, then it's gonna be very lightweight because it's a plastic container and it got pump. So that's the first one I've purchased, followed by this one right here. This is a shampoo. So there you go. This is the Gold Lust Repair and Restore shampoo. Revive and repair. There you go. It's really pretty. It looks really tiny, and it's pricey, tiny container, but you don't need a lot. You don't need a lot to clean your hair, so it's gonna last me a little bit longer than the other brand. So those are the hair care products. And also I've purchased Clarins. This is skincare. This is the Nourishing Revitalizing Day Emulsion. I still have to look it up how to use this, but I believe this is a day product, like you use it on daytime. Seriously, I don't know yet. So I got this one because I've heard good reviews when it comes to this product right here, Clarins. So those are the items that I've purchased recently. Now I'm gonna proceed to the skincare that I have been using recently and give you my opinions about the items. So we've got here 3 items from Cocokind, and they're kind enough to send me these items to try. So they've sent me this cleanser, SPF, and a serum. So if you've been watching some of my videos, if you watch one of my video, I've mentioned that I don't wash my face. But then for the sake of giving an honest review about this one right here, then I washed my face probably maximum 3 times just to get the feeling and the experience of this cleanser right here. So the cleanser container looks like this. It's very light, and I really like the color. It's so light, and it says oil to milk cleanser. So this is how the product looks, so when it's not wet, it looks like this. It's foggy white, it's not clear white, and if you spread it onto your skin, it will look like that, and if you wet it, it's gonna turn into milk. So that's my experience with the product. And then it's oily, so I would say that this product is perfect after removing your makeup. So you should remove your makeup first, especially if you have thick makeup, because it's not gonna be real fast if you use this straight. So you can do that. That's why this one exists, because of that, clean your face. But if you want a fast removal of your makeup, then you wash it partially, then once you're done, then you try using this. It's like putting milk onto your face, and it leaves your skin really soft because it has oil, like oil to milk. And my skin is really sensitive, so if my skin doesn't like the item, I'm gonna have a little bit of like bumps, like rashes, but not this one right here. So it's really light for the skin, and I like it. It's 2.9 fluid ounces and 85 ml. So once I'm done washing my face, I then start using this one right here. It's called Ceramide Barrier Serum. It's nourishing daily serum for skin barrier support. So is there anything remarkable about this serum right here? I don't think so. But the only good thing about this, it's very light to the skin, same as this oil to milk cleanser. They are not heavy and very light products, so it's not really gonna clog your pores. Well, based on my experience, it didn't give me any breakout. So it's color white, milky white. And yeah, I use it day and night, like every day. So washing my face using this oil to milk cleanser, I only use it 3 times, but this one right here, because I want to finish it, so I use it daily, day and night, and it works well with my makeup, underneath my makeup, and at night as well. Sometimes I have a lot of skincare, but recently, since I really want to try it, so I've been using just this alone, and so far I don't have any issue with my skin. Most of the time this corner right here is really dry, like my corner of my nostril or my nose, but since I started using this, it doesn't, yeah, it doesn't, it's like it's moisturizing my entire face. So the thing I like about this, it's not giving me any breakout. So yeah, I've got here an SPF from Cocokind, and is SPF 32. Active ingredients is zinc oxide 21%. So I've mentioned this in some of my vlogs too, like one of my vlog or two, that I don't wear sunscreen because for two reasons. One, it's really heavy. I feel like they are really heavy to the skin, to the to the skin, and at the same time it is just sticky and time consuming. So I'm not used to using a SPF, so like I said, I am forced because they've sent this to me, and I can't believe that I'm liking this because it's very light to the skin. You will still feel a little bit of like stickiness, but in general it is just acceptable or tolerable. So this is how the product or the texture of the item is. Sorry, I have to do it like that so it closes, and then you just, it's color white, like white. You just have to make sure you blend it well. It really works well with my makeup and this serum. So every morning I apply this both, and it doesn't really affect the performance of my foundation, because sometimes if you layer too much onto your skin, you put too much skincare, so by the time you apply your foundation, it's not gonna stick, it's just gonna move, like rub with your brush, but not this one right here. So that's how it looks after. If you want to wear it by itself, you just have to make sure you blend it well, because it's a white, it's really white. It's like the usual SPF, it's color white, so you just have to blend it well. So if you compare it without, then this one is a bit darker, and this one is more on like beaming, like shimmery kind of look, you know. So that's how this one here works, and I really liked it, and I will continue using the product. You have to apply it every 2 hours. Sorry, so if you can manage that, then this is, yeah, you can just bring this with you easily because it's slick and light. The brand again is Cocokind. This is really pretty right here. It's really gentle to the skin. I like it when it turns into milk. I wish I don't have these false lashes right here so I can wash my face freely, but then I've tried it and it's really worth the money. This one right here, there is no remarkable change or drastic change. I don't even know what's the effect of using this serum right here, but if you're just up for something light, like a basic daily staple, then this one is good. Also, the SPF, guys, the container is really pretty. The texture is good. It leaves a little bit of white cast. You just have to blend it well, and it really made my skin, this one right here, looks healthy. So I will keep using these products right here, especially this one and this one. There you have it, guys. Those are the things that it's really worth trying. Also, let me know in the comment box section if you've tried the previous product that I've shown, like the Oribe products, like the shampoo or the oil. Like this one right here, this is really interesting. I've tried it once and it left my hair shiny and glowing. And yeah, also this one right here, because I've never heard this product before, only until they've messaged me and offered to send this product. So it's the first time I've tried this, and I never thought that I would like it. So try it, guys. See if you like it. All of the information about this product will be on the description box below. But for now, I have to go, guys, because I have to prepare. I have to work tomorrow. So I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my day and see you on my next post, guys. Bye.